Hey guys, welcome back to Bobo Science. Today we're making hot ice and then dry ice.
Okay, now we're gonna make dry ice. We're gonna need snow gloves because it's so cold. It'll be frostbite. And then we need safety glasses. Outside.
Set. Go.
It wasn't as loud as I thought it would be. Wait!
We have it. Careful.
Oh, there is dry ice!
I'm just going over here.
Wait, okay, so we put dry ice in different colors. Made the dry ice by getting a tank of carbon dioxide and it shot into a bag and made dry ice. And now we're just putting in a bunch of stuff and trying to carbonate stuff.
Carbonate.
Dry ice?
Carbonate, not
It's,
carbonate.
Dry ice is
Carbonate.
frozen carbon dioxide.
Don't mess around.
It's so it doesn't have a liquid state. It just goes straight from a solid to a gas.
It doesn't.
You wanna?
This one?
Sure. There.
This one?
I'll wait for that.
That looks really cool.
Yeah, that was Samash's idea. Put in the colors.
No, I can't.
Oh.
This I
Hi. We're carbonating this by getting a chunk of dry ice, which is frozen carbon dioxide, and then we put it in the water, but it has to go under, so all the carbon dioxide, when it melts, has to go through the water before it gets out. I'm packing some of the dry ice because it's not really ice. Like dry snow, not ice.
Dry snow. Feels like dry snow.
Dry snow.
Unless you want to explain what you're going to do.
Yeah, what's up with it? Carbonate water.
It's like soda lemonade, strawberry lemonade. Doesn't this look so sciencey? Alright, I'm going to taste some lemonade created with science by children. Do I dare? What's up, Bodie? What? Oh my gosh, it's soda. Oh, it's like really strong carbonation too. Huh?
Yeah,
because I left it in there for like 10 minutes. That's so cool. You can make like sodas.
if they have enough dry ice.
I like it.
We make carbonated stuff.
As a microphone right now, or you know.